Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today with me I have the servicing of the Crompton Greaves Avancer 2014's model, the G logo one. So this is quite bad condition because false ceiling installed and the lower canopy is cut to install as the download is quite small. So let me show you how is the condition right now. So this is the fan. This is installed on the ground rod. So as 3 are there. You can see the label is quite good condition because the label as like one can see the label is not wet cleaned, so it's quite good. And the canopy is cut in this way, you can see. So all the 3 Avancers have this cut canopy because of it was not able to install. And this is the glow capacitor inside 2.25. This is not failed yet, so I won't be changing it right now. When it will fail and like the fan will slow down less than 370 or 360, then we'll be changing it soon. So you can see the other two are there. So the same installation with all 3. So this fan's decoring is cracked up. I cannot change it because in the service center it's unavailable. So gonna like clean it properly, everything will be done properly. So let me uninstall it properly and then show you what all the problems are with the canopies down. So all the 3 will be uninstalled and shown. So this is the first one. You can see the blades from the upper portion are not cleaned properly because you can see that this cleaning was completely dry. So you can see this G logo embossed. This is the capacitor and the shaft and the wires, everything is got dirty, so everything will be cleaned after like opening completely. The fan will be teared down into pieces and then will be cleaned systematically. And I'll try to like not break the deco more. This is the second one. The second one you can see is quite better, and this also has broken canopy, but this also has a good label. And this fan's capacitor is slightly looking like it's slightly failed up. I'll be changing it soon, no issues. And regarding this, the decoring is not broken, and this is the third one. With the third one also the decoring is not broken. The second and the third both have a good decoring, only the first one. And you can see this paint is chipping off from the like this cover because the lower canopy was rubbing on the upper cover like for some time. So because of that, for a long period this is came like in this condition. So I'll be installing a shackle between the round rod and the shaft so that there is some space for the round rod to look properly and the doesn't rub. So this is the fan here. Let me open up the blades properly. So I was like quite amazed about the condition of the fan because this had to be cleaned properly, and this was good that I opened it to understand what the condition was. After opening I realized it was really bad condition and needed a good cleaning. So the also make sure that you systematically open this one because such decos break while opening. So this is the lower cover removed, upper cover separated. Now the stator should be removed properly with the capacitor and the holder. So let me remove it out. So this is a 12 pole motor stator, and this is the upper cover decoring. You can see a broken up, and you can see this is the lower cover. These are not permanent dots, these are just spots need to be cleaned. The decos look faded from the center part, but they aren't, need to be. You can see this, the paint is chipped off from here due to the humid climate of this area. So can't be done, and I cannot do anything with the ripped off part, so need to ignore that. And this is the 12 volt winding. You can see here, quite awesome, still a good condition for such a long period. Now it's almost 2022 and it's 2014's fan, so 8 years almost. That's a long period. You can see the label is quite good. I am like going to put a tape on the label so that the label does not tear off in the future years. That putting a tape there is a good technique because on that tape you can do wet cleaning also, and that will not harm the label. So do that if you want. So it's cleaned properly behind the camera. I installed back. So actually you can see the condition is quite better than earlier. The stains, as I told, on the upper cover aren't going because the canopy was rubbing there for such a long time. Capacitor, everything is cleaned properly. Lower cover, upper cover, the decoring is also clean without breaking. The blades were really bad. I'm putting a picture of the before and after blade side by side at the end of the video, so do check the end there. I won't be able to show it right now after installing. And This is the another one, the second one also needs the same cleaning. Actually I thought not to make a separate videos for those, and I've included both of them in the same video, like all three in the same video. Third one is not shown here. So the second one, you can see the shaft is gone bad. I don't know why this is happening, because I think that the second round rod had some water leakage from some leakage in the concrete ceiling. So why that round rod this has become like this? The shaft looks rusted, but not that rusted. It's like a single coat above this, not completely rusted. You can see this blade. So I cleaned all three. So this is the condition. So I couldn't show you the working of the fan due to some reason, but this is taking 370. I'll be trying to make a YouTube short there, so sorry for the inconvenience. You can see this fan is installed here. You can see the green tape is wrapped. This was the before condition, and the after condition is the next pic. So thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.